Let me show you how we can convert Google Slides presentation into a video. Head to File and search for this brand new button, Convert to Video. After you click that, you will be moved into another Google software, Google Vids, and it will kind of streamline the process. This is the brand new pipeline, so we don't need to do all manually. You just need to wait a moment for this to load. Then confirm which slide do you want in your video. I want all 5 slides. There's also this toggle that you want to include AI voiceover, script, background music, and animations. So that's all up to you. You can switch this off. And you will have some automatically generated voiceover lines here, but you can simply rewrite it. So you got full control. You can just write stuff from the keyboard here. You can choose the voice for the narrator. You can include animations, so transition between, and then click Create Draft Video. In this case, we are adding stuff to the presentation. We got this AI voiceover, music, and additional animations. And the whole video will be around 3 minutes.
The fintech sector. I successfully architected a microservices migration.
So I got AI reading what's on the slide and some kind of backdrop music. I can now simply export this to MP4 and download to my computer or save it on the drive directly. Download as MP4. Now the program is preparing the download. And here's my MP4 video.
Welcome. Here is a summary of my professional experience. I have over 8 years of experience.
And that's just a local video from my hard drive. Anybody can play that even without Google account. Alright, but how can we do this? Simple way, just export the slides as they are with some transitions as they are without any Google AI nonsense. Same way, File, Convert to Video, but this time we switch the AI voiceover and extras off. Next. And now we got our video. Is a bit shorter, but keep in mind we can reduce how long we will see each slide manually as well. For example, this slide got a long video in it, that's why it's so long. But the text slides I set up by default for 5 seconds, but we can modify this here. And if you are happy with the result, again click this little arrow down next to share and simply download as MP4 without any extra music or AI voiceover. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.